Introducing the Stinger Loaded Subwoofer Enclosure. This universal subwoofer enclosure stands less than 8 inches tall, making it a perfect fit for any vehicle. This enclosure was specifically designed to fit under the back seat of most trucks, with 400 watts of continuous power handling and 800 watts peak. This 10-inch weatherproof subwoofer adds tons of bass without taking up much space. The subwoofer enclosure is protected by roadkill liquid coat, making it capable of withstanding the most extreme conditions, and features a coated steel grille to protect the subwoofer. Sold separately is the extension port for select vehicles. This extension port simply bolts to the side of the enclosure, turning it into a ported enclosure, adding a 6 decibel bass boost. Take your truck or any vehicle's audio system to the next level with the Stinger Loaded Subwoofer Enclosure.